Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change battery plan on Windows 11 from balanced to high performance or high efficiency performance or high performance efficiency. So if you want to increase your Windows 11 performance and you want to boost the processor, you need to change the power plan from maybe balanced to high performance. So here, I'm going to walk you through how to take this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change battery plan on Windows 11, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the Start button. Now, once you selected Start, select Settings. On your Windows 11 settings page, on the left side, locate and click on System. Now, on the System page, you want to scroll down, click on Power and Battery. Once you selected Power and Battery, you see the Power and Battery menu pops where you'll be able to manage your battery plan. So, locate Power Mode here and click on this drop menu. And if we set the power mode to best performance, on battery and on plug to best performance, it should have the energy recommendation set to 3/7. But if we choose to go with best power efficiency on both plugged and battery, then it should have your recommendation increased to 4/7. Mark you, this is going to consume your Windows 11 battery really fast, but you can be rest assured that your Windows 11 is going to be running smoothly, and this is going to help boost your Windows 11 processor. So that is exactly how to change battery plan in Windows 11 from balanced to best performance and from best performance to best power efficiency or vice versa. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.